I'm going to teach you how to make something called a Gingerbug using ginger, and I'm going to use turmeric in mine too. I use both. The orange one is turmeric. I grow them both in my garden. Okay, when you choose your ginger, make sure that it's not all rubbery and nasty. That one is no good. I'm going to set that aside. I do grow mine now, and when it's nice and firm like this, it's easier to get it when it's nice and fresh. If it's got holes and bugs in there like that, get rid of that one too. So when we make a Gingerbug, which is like we're going to add 2 cups of water there. We're making a fermented drink. I'm going to chop these up. I'm going to go high speed here so you don't have to watch this in slow-mo. We don't have to peel it. I washed them really good, but we don't have to peel them up because we are going to make a probiotic, and the skin on there can actually help make this probiotic. So these are all going to go into the water, and we're going to add some sugar, and then we're going to put the cap on, and this is going to make a drink that we can add to other sweet drinks to have like a fizzy pop sort of drink or a ginger ale. So here we go. I had 2 cups of water, about 2 tablespoons of ginger and turmeric, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And that's all we do initially to make this Gingerbug. Now, after it's been resting a day, I'm going to add again 1 tablespoon of the turmeric and ginger, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar. And we do this every day for about 5 days. You'll start to see it fizz and bubble. And now we have our working Gingerbug that we can just keep going. If we don't want to use it for some days, we can leave it in the refrigerator. But otherwise, just keep it out and continue to add the 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of the ginger or turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of organic raw sugar to keep it going. And then I'll show you different ways that you can use this Gingerbug, which is really high in antioxidants. It's a probiotic, and it makes delicious drinks. So that's a Gingerbug.